Delta-Delta transformer design can lead to voltage imbalances and harmonics, potentially affecting sensitive electronic equipment like servo drives. Harmonic currents can circulate through the transformer windings, leading to additional heating and reduced efficiency. A Delta Wye transformer offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides an isolated neutral point, creating a grounded neutral point for the 480-volt system, which can improve stability and reduce voltage fluctuations. Secondly, it balances loads, distributing the load more evenly across the three phases, reducing voltage imbalances. Thirdly, it helps with harmonic mitigation, as Y-connected windings help reduce harmonics and provide a cleaner power supply. Replacing a Delta-Delta transformer with a Delta Wye transformer could provide reduced voltage fluctuations. The isolated neutral point and balanced loads will help stabilize the 480-volt supply. Improved power quality is another benefit. The Y-connected windings will reduce harmonics, providing a cleaner power supply for sensitive equipment. An increase in efficiency can also be achieved by mitigating harmonics and reducing heating. The Delta Wye transformer should improve the efficiency of the power distribution system. Before making a decision to replace your transformer, it's important to firstly verify manufacturer's recommendations. Ensure that the servo drive manufacturers specifically require an isolation transformer with a grounded neutral point. Secondly, assess other loads. Consider the possible impact of the Delta Wye transformer on other loads, such as variable frequency drives or VFD and induction motors. It is highly recommended to consult an electrical engineer. Seek professional advice to determine the appropriate size and specifications for the replacement transformer. A Delta-Delta transformer has a unique configuration where three windings are connected to form a closed loop, resembling the Greek letter delta. This configuration is often used in three-phase power systems for stepping voltage up or down. However, the Delta-Delta design can exhibit certain characteristics that might be less than ideal for sensitive electronic equipment. One of the primary concerns with Delta-Delta transformers is their susceptibility to voltage imbalances. Because the windings are interconnected in a closed loop, any asymmetry in the load distribution across the three phases can lead to uneven voltage levels. This imbalance can manifest as variations in voltage magnitude or phase angle, which can negatively affect the performance and longevity of connected equipment, particularly sensitive devices like servo drives. Furthermore, Delta-Delta transformers can be a source of harmonic currents. Harmonics are sinusoidal waveforms with frequencies that are integer multiples of the fundamental frequency, typically 60 Hz in North America. These harmonics can be generated by nonlinear loads such as variable frequency drives, electronic ballasts, and other power electronic devices. In a Delta-Delta transformer, harmonic currents can circulate within the closed loop of the windings, leading to increased heating and reduced efficiency. The circulating harmonic currents can also distort the voltage waveform, exacerbating voltage imbalances and potentially interfering with the operation of other equipment connected to the same power system. A Delta Wye transformer offers a different configuration where the primary winding is connected in a Delta configuration, while the secondary winding is connected in a Wye configuration. This design provides several advantages, especially in applications where a stable and clean power supply is required. One of the key benefits of a Delta Wye transformer is its ability to provide an isolated neutral point. The Y-connected secondary winding creates a natural neutral point that can be grounded. This grounded neutral point serves as a reference for the voltage in the system, helping to stabilize voltage levels and reduce voltage fluctuations. The grounded neutral also provides a path for fault currents to flow, improving the safety and reliability of the power system. Another advantage of Delta Wye transformers is their ability to balance loads more effectively. The Y-connected secondary winding distributes the load more evenly across the three phases, reducing voltage imbalances. This is particularly important in applications where the load is not perfectly balanced, such as in commercial or industrial facilities with a mix of lighting, motor, and electronic loads. By minimizing voltage imbalances, Delta Wye transformers can improve the performance and efficiency of connected equipment, as well as reduce the risk of premature failure. Furthermore, Delta Wye transformers can help mitigate harmonics. The Y-connected windings act as a filter for harmonic currents, reducing their propagation through the power system. This is because the impedance of the Y-connected windings is different for harmonic currents than for the fundamental frequency current. The Y windings tend to block harmonic currents, preventing them from circulating within the transformer and reducing their impact on other equipment connected to the same power system. When considering replacing a delta-delta transformer with a delta-Y transformer, it's important to carefully evaluate the potential benefits and drawbacks. One of the primary advantages of switching to a delta-Y transformer is the reduction in voltage fluctuations. The isolated neutral point and balance loads provided by the Delta Wye configuration help stabilize the 480 volts supply, reducing voltage variations that can negatively affect sensitive equipment like servo drives. Another benefit is the improvement in power quality. The Y-connected windings reduce harmonics, providing a cleaner power supply for sensitive equipment. This can improve the performance and reliability of electronic devices, as well as reduce the risk of equipment damage or failure. In addition to reducing voltage fluctuations and improving power quality, Delta Wye transformers can also increase the efficiency of the power distribution system. By mitigating harmonics and reducing heating, the Delta Wye transformer can reduce energy losses and improve the overall efficiency of the system. However, before making a decision to replace a delta-delta transformer with a delta-Y transformer, it's important to consider several factors. Firstly, it's essential to verify the manufacturer's recommendations for the connected equipment. Some servo drive manufacturers may specifically require an isolation transformer with a grounded neutral point, in which case a delta-Y transformer would be the appropriate choice. Secondly, it's important to assess the impact of the delta-Y transformer on other loads connected to the same power system. Variable frequency drives and induction motors may be affected by the change in transformer configuration, so it's important to carefully evaluate their performance and compatibility. Finally, it's highly recommended to consult with a qualified electrical engineer before making any changes to the power distribution system. An electrical engineer can perform a thorough analysis of the system, taking into account all relevant factors and recommending the appropriate size and specifications for the replacement transformer. The engineer can also help ensure that the new transformer is properly installed and connected, and that all applicable safety codes and standards are met. The Delta Wye transformer provides a stable grounded neutral, which is beneficial for reducing transient overvoltages and providing a safer environment for electronic equipment. The grounded neutral allows for effective grounding of equipment enclosures and provides a return path for ground fault currents, which helps to quickly trip circuit breakers or ground fault protection devices in the event of a fault. This is especially important in industrial settings where there may be a higher risk of electrical faults due to heavy machinery and equipment. The Delta Wye transformer is also advantageous in reducing the propagation of tripling harmonics. Tripling harmonics are odd multiples of the third harmonic, third, ninth, 15th, etc., and are commonly generated by nonlinear loads such as single-phase power supplies and electronic ballasts. In a delta-connected system, these harmonics can circulate within the delta winding, leading to increased heating and voltage distortion. However, in a delta Y transformer, the Y connection blocks the propagation of tripling harmonics to the system neutral, preventing them from causing problems with other equipment connected to the same power system. The delta Y transformer can also help to improve the voltage regulation of the power system. Voltage regulation refers to the ability of the power system to maintain a stable voltage level under varying load conditions. A Delta Wye transformer can help to improve voltage regulation by providing a stiffer voltage source with a lower impedance. This means that the voltage is less likely to droop or sag under heavy load conditions, which can help to improve the performance and reliability of connected equipment. When selecting a Delta Wye transformer, it's important to consider the kVA rating, voltage ratio, and impedance. The kVA rating should be sufficient to handle the maximum load demand of the connected equipment. The voltage ratio should match the required input and output voltages of the system. The impedance of the transformer should be carefully selected to balance the need for voltage regulation with the need to limit fault currents. A higher impedance transformer will provide better voltage regulation but will also limit fault currents, which may make it more difficult for protective devices to quickly trip in the event of a fault. It's also important to consider the efficiency of the transformer. A more efficient transformer will have lower energy losses, which can save money on electricity bills and reduce the environmental impact of the power system. Transformers are typically rated for efficiency at different load levels, so it's important to select a transformer that is efficient at the typical load level of the application. In addition to the transformer itself, it's also important to consider the associated wiring and protective devices. The wiring should be sized appropriately to handle the maximum current demand of the connected equipment. Circuit breakers or fuses should be installed to protect the transformer and the connected equipment from overloads and short circuits. Grounding is also crucial for safety and should be done in accordance with applicable codes and standards. In general, the Delta Wye transformer is a versatile and reliable solution for providing a stable and clean power supply in a wide range of applications. Its ability to provide a grounded neutral, reduce harmonics, improve voltage regulation, and enhance safety makes it a popular choice for industrial, commercial, and residential power systems. However, it's important to carefully consider the specific requirements of the application and consult with a qualified electrical engineer to ensure that the transformer is properly selected, installed, and maintained. When evaluating the cost of replacing a Delta-Delta transformer with a Delta Wye transformer, it's important to consider the long-term benefits and savings. While the initial cost of the Delta Wye transformer may be higher, the improved power quality, reduced energy losses, and enhanced equipment reliability can result in significant cost savings over the life of the transformer. These savings can come from reduced electricity bills, lower maintenance costs, and increased equipment uptime. It's also important to consider the potential cost associated with not replacing the Delta-Delta transformer. If the voltage imbalances and harmonics are causing problems with sensitive equipment, the cost of downtime, repairs, and replacements can quickly add up. In some cases, the cost of not replacing the transformer may be higher than the cost of replacing it. A thorough cost-benefit analysis should be conducted to determine the most cost-effective solution. This analysis should take into account the initial cost of the transformer, the long-term savings, and the potential costs associated with not replacing the transformer. The analysis should also consider the impact on productivity, safety, and the environment. When planning the replacement of a Delta-Delta transformer with the Delta Wye transformer, it's important to develop a detailed project plan. This plan should include a timeline, budget, resource allocation, and risk assessment. The plan should also identify all stakeholders and their roles and responsibilities. The project should be carefully managed to ensure that it is completed on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. It's also important to communicate effectively with all stakeholders throughout the project. This includes providing regular updates on progress, addressing any concerns or issues that arise, and ensuring that everyone is aware of their roles and responsibilities. Effective communication can help to prevent misunderstandings, resolve conflicts, and ensure that the project is successful. Safety is paramount during the replacement of a transformer. All work should be performed by qualified and experienced personnel in accordance with applicable safety codes and standards. Appropriate personal protective equipment should be worn at all times. The power should be de-energized and locked out before any work is performed on the transformer. All tools and equipment should be in good working condition and properly grounded. A detailed safety plan should be developed and implemented before the start of the project. This plan should identify all potential hazards and the measures that will be taken to mitigate them. The plan should also include emergency procedures in case of an accident or injury. Regular safety meetings should be held to reinforce safety procedures and address any safety concerns. The Delta Wye transformer offers a robust solution for many power system challenges. It's important to integrate it thoughtfully, with professional guidance and careful planning to ensure optimal results. This involves considering not just the transformer itself, but the entire electrical system it will interact with, from wiring to protective devices and load characteristics. The final goal is a stable, reliable, and efficient power supply that supports the operational needs of the facility while minimizing potential risks and long-term costs.